Leaving Lamai Beach, it was a 20-kilometre ride skirting around the bottom of the large mountain range that's in the centre of the island. Well, the ferry's just pulled out of the port. Goodbye, Koh Samui. The ferry crossing takes 80 minutes, and the distant mountains look like a pretty challenging terrain for bike riding. Hopefully I go around them and not over them. From the port to Surat Thani, it was back roads all the way. A bit of dirt road here. Of course on the map you can't really tell what's what. Unfortunately, these back roads did include a few angry dog encounters. The night market in Surat Thani is huge and would have to be the best I've been to so far on this trip. Another day of back roads, mostly following the river inland, although I was only able to see it a couple of times. I took a short but steep detour up to the lake and dam, just to have a look. Andaman is not much more than the intersection of two highways. I started the day with a short ride on Highway 401, then spent 55 kilometres on the quiet 4118, which eventually met up with the busy 4311. Took a rest day off the bike to go on a long boat tour of Phang Nga Bay. For 70 Aussie dollars, this was a fantastic full day out on the bay. Wow, this is pretty cool. From Phang Nga to Phuket, there's not really any practical way to avoid Highway 4, but this is day 20 and it's my first day of main highway riding, and with a good surface it goes quickly.